What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video. I wanted to do a quick unboxing of my Apple Watch Series 4. Now, this is my first Apple Watch. I have never used one before. I've basically been using the Gear S3 Frontier for over a year. I picked that up last year when I got my Note 8. But this year, back in May, I put my Note 8 on pause and I picked up the iPhone 10. And I've been using the iPhone since May. So this year, instead of going back to the Note and getting the Note 9, I decided I would go with the iPhone XS Max. Now, it was a tough decision, but I've had every Note since the Note 2. So I figured, you know what? Let me switch it up, go with Apple for a little bit, see how I like it. You know, it's good to have options. So since I'm sticking with the iPhone for the rest of 2018 and probably most of 2019, I figured why not just go full Apple? So when you use your Gear S3 with your Apple phone, with your iPhone, the only thing you get on here is alerts. You don't get email, you don't get text messages, anything like that. So it's really and truly useless. I basically just get the alerts on that and the same alerts I get on my phone. And I use that Bluetooth. This one does have the LTE, but I have never set it up that way. I've just basically used it via Bluetooth. So anyway, so I figure since, like I said, I'm sticking with Apple this year, I'm gonna ride it out until next year with the iPhone and get in that Apple ecosystem. So I figured, let's get the watch. So I know you guys have seen a ton of videos already with the unboxing of these watches. So I basically gonna make this as quick as possible and let's get it on. And of course, since I have the gold everything iPhone, I figured, hey, why not go with the gold Series 4, right? Shoot. I am gonna change this band out. I'm going to get the other, I think it's called the Milanese band. Nobody has them in stock, not even Apple locally for me. So I just wanted to get the watch, see if I like it or not before I go ahead and spend $150 on a watch band. Yeah, that's crazy, but that thing is beautiful. All right, so like I said, folks, this is my first Apple Watch ever. So let's see what we got here. So here's your watch. It comes in this nice little pink case. So let's take this out. Let's see what we got. Man, that thing is beautiful. That is beautiful. All right, let's drop it back in here. Let's see what else we have in here. You got some designed by Apple in California. Then you have your charging cable. And then the infamous 5-watt charger. The thing that has sent the world crazy. Anyhow, so that's all that's in the box right there. Nothing exciting, but this right here, this is what it's all about, my friends. So like I said, I don't know anything about this thing. I've seen a few videos here and there. So I have some homework to do to figure out how the hell you even mess with this thing. So how you set it up and all that good stuff. So wish me luck, folks. So I'm gonna set it up. If I run into any problems, I'll let you guys know. But yeah, it's off a little bit, but you know, still all gold everything. All right. So yeah, let me set this up and see how things go. It's gonna be a learning experience, but I'm down for the challenge. So, all right, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.